Amazon Software Development Manager Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Amazon Software Development Manager Interview Questions is a tech proficient who has filled in as a...
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Software designer and progress to an administration job. The experts oversee software development and specialized groups and depend on a scope of hard and delicate abilities to be effective at work. In case you're interviewing for this specialized part, there is an assortment of questions you'll experience, including questions about your administration style and specialized insight. In this article, we cover more than Amazon Software Development Manager interview questions with a few model answers with planning so you have the best odds of prevailing in your interview.
Software development is a non-actual new stream in business. The board and the vast majority of the items are altered according to customers' necessities. In the present consistently changing, quickly advancing information innovation market, superb significance is given to the board abilities of the software manager, as the methods and development experience of one item can be totally inverse or superfluous to each other. All in all, we can say the discoveries of one item may not be valuable to others at all, and to endure the merciless rivalry in this consistently advancing software situation, steady upgradations of the range of abilities, refreshing to the most recent innovation, modules are the solitary way out. It establishes a compelled business climate for software engineers and managers, as the danger factor is higher in software development and they should be effective, creative, and daring persons with their arranging and executions. List of top Amazon Software Development Manager interview questions with answers. This article contains the most frequently asked interview questions for the Amazon Software Development Manager profile. The answers are based on data-backed research curated by professionals. Basic Amazon Software Development Manager interview questions and answers. The Amazon Software Development Manager interview questions: a candidate should stay prepared at a basic level for are: 1. Portray the cycle you have for a programming task, from prerequisites to conveyance. A software design integrated into the development of an object is often known as the software development process, design and evolution process. Several activities can be done with one particularism, like the dexterous technique, but there are only a few models for those loops, like the dance of doing the grocery shop, that express various rituals for different errands or exercises. Prerequisite investigation: separating the prerequisites of an ideal software item is the primary undertaking in making it. While clients presumably accept, they understand what the software is to do, it might require ability and involvement with software designing to perceive deficient, vague, or conflicting necessities. Particular detail is the undertaking of unequivocally depicting the software to be composed in a thorough way. Practically speaking, best particulars are composed to understand and calibrate applications that were at that point very much created, despite the fact that security basic software frameworks are frequently deliberately indicated before application development. Particulars are generally significant for outside interfaces that should stay stable. Cover-related blog: Amazon certifications, list of top AWS certifications in 2024. 2. What programming dialects do you use? Which 3 do you like or are generally acquainted with? Interviewers anticipate that engineers should be comfortable with numerous dialects. They may search for a designer who has insight into C++ and Java, to exhibit the candidate has programming slashes to quickly get another dialect. Python is a profoundly sought-after language. Assuming you are applying for a full-stack job, you ought to be comfortable with JavaScript structures like React and Node. 3. How would you execute your mistake handling? You can discuss composing tests, wrapping the code to get special cases, attempts getting proclamations, and glancing through the worm development measure. Ensure that you have a thoroughly examined answer to this inquiry. 4. What has your experience been similar to as a component of an agile software development measure, assuming any? Amazon software development alludes to software development approaches that revolve around the possibility of iterative development, where necessities and arrangements advance through a coordinated effort between self-putting together cross-useful groups.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.